Since this week's theme is animals, we decided to give Georgia's roommate different animal-shaped foods and see if she can guess what they are. But the kicker is that she is blindfolded and will have to guess what they are based on the taste, smell, and feel.
And even better, the last food item that she's gonna eat is literal dog food.
Yes.
So, should be interesting.
Yes, let's see how she does.
Are you nervous?
A little bit. I feel like I'm gonna get poisoned or something.
We told you it was all edible.
Okay. What is this? You know the animal crackers with like the icing on top?
Yes!
Yep.
That's exactly what they are.
Wow.
Can I finish the plate?
Of
Yeah.
course. That's a reward.
Great, thanks.
Number 2.
Food number 2.
How many are there?
Just 2.
Is there, okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Is it? Are they chicken nuggets?
What kind?
Dino chicken nuggets?
Yes! 2 for 2, baby!
Feels like something that's covered in chocolate. What? Is it just chocolate?
Yeah. But what's the shape of the chocolate?
Like a fish?
No.
No. What kind of chocolate is in the grocery store right now?
A bunny?
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Let's go!
There we go.
Go crazy.
Oh, goldfish.
Wow.
You didn't even eat it!
No, because I feel it.
Enjoy!
What is that? Why are you saying it like that? Is it actual like animal food?
No.
What the is this?
It is a dog treat.
Oh my god.
Do you want another one?
Yeah, now I kind of do. Tastes like bleh. Like throw up.
Oh.
Like,
Vomit?
oh.
And for Michaela's final score, she's getting a 4.5 out of 5, which is the best and only score anyone has ever gotten.
Join us next time for when we feed my other roommate animal food that's shaped like humans.
Can I finish this?